Everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense, and let's see what the last extended week of November 2020, that is the 22nd to the 30th of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Cancer. For Cancerians, this week is, or the cards suggest that this week should be completely kept aside for yourself in terms of completely deeply introspecting and understanding about your physical, mental, emotional, spiritual needs and priorities in your life. We make a lot of decisions in life for others, but many a times before even making some important decisions for ourselves or for others, we fail to forget what we actually want. Sometimes we have not asked ourselves as to what we really want, what we really cherish, but we simply take a decision based on, in general, what is right and good for everybody. So this week, the cards are asking you to go down deep within yourself, sit with yourself, and make a decision and think about what is it that you want in your life. What are your physical, mental, emotional, and financial and spiritual priorities in life? So this is the kind of weekend which suggests that you go in for a complete soul searching process. Moving on to the space of work. At work, things will have speeded up. There will be lot of schedules lined up for you. There will be lot of work goals to be attained. Everything will be absolutely managed as long as you are sitting on the top of it. You have everything carefully planned and managed, and you have people absolutely scheduled properly to be working under you. So be very, very clear about your goals and be very, very clear about how do you want to go about achieving them. See to it that you're very, very properly planned and your time management is absolutely perfect. This will help you achieve all the goals that you're meant to be achieving at your place of work. When it comes to finances, there are going to be some major financial decisions that you're going to be taking in your life, and this is not in terms of just simply expenditures or savings or investments, but you're going to completely think about the way you look at finances, the way finances play an important role in your life, especially your relationship with finances. This is a week where you will also see a lot of subtle financial changes happening in your life. For some, may be good, for some, maybe not good. But then that will also make you think about your relationship with finances as to how you have been looking at them prior to this in your life, and now how do you want to look at them, how you want your finances to be in your life henceforth. So you're going to set some major new goals, some major new targets, but not before rethinking your relationship with your finances. Moving on to the space of relationships. Especially for this extended week, the cards absolutely advise you to not to fall into any kind of family argument or any kind of an argument with your near and loved and dear ones. It is absolutely not essential. It will unnecessarily create a lack of peace and unharmonious environment around you. The cards ask you not to do that. Rather, listen to what everybody has to say, and then once you've listened to what everybody has to say, also listen to yourself as to what you genuinely feel in the particular situation. Take your own time. Don't be in a hurry to express your opinions. Buy some time for your people in order to give your opinions. Think over it, sit with yourself, and then when you feel you're genuinely ready and okay with what your heart is wanting, that is when you go and express your opinions, not before that. Don't give in to impulses and get into an argument with your loved ones, especially for this last week. Moving on to the space of health. Your health is absolutely going to be very, very fine. So if you absolutely see to it that you contribute in creating a very beautiful space at your your home environment, by not getting into any arguments, you will see that you will have a very nice harmonious environment and an atmosphere at home that will make you feel very physically, mentally and emotionally relaxed. There are chances that you might go to some kind of a wedding or some kind of an engagement party and meet a lot of people, and your spirits will be very lifted and you will feel absolutely very, very happy. Have a very, very blessed and a very beautiful week ahead, and absolutely looking forward to know how the week was, how you felt about the predictions, what did you experience when it came to all these predictions. You can absolutely leave your comments, your reactions, your responses in the comment section. Thank you.